So why does a technology company care about making your life safer? Well, it's because behind every innovation is a person, and behind every person is a purpose. You see, at Phoenix Contact, our people are committed to creating a safer tomorrow for you. In smart manufacturing, our teams are building more than industrial technology. They're building confidence, consistency, and control. You see, we help protect industrial systems where safety depends on secure, uninterrupted operations. With solutions like our MGuard technology, our people support secure, remote access, encrypted communication, and firewall protection so that critical infrastructure stays connected and resilient. In logistics, safety means precision. Automated systems that receive, sort, and deliver the right solution at the right time, every time. You know, at its best, technology disappears, seamlessly woven into your world. But one thing it should never hide is its commitment to your safety. Because behind every sensor, signal, or circuit, there's a person. And that's who we build for. You may never meet the people behind the technology, the code, or the cabinets, but they're there, thinking of you, planning for your safety, building with purpose. This isn't just about innovation, it's about intention. Every safer moment you experience was first imagined by someone who cares. Together, we're empowering the smart, safe, and sustainable world for future generations.